Oh, it started to drizzle. It's raining, so just don't cycle. I know some people cycle in the rain, and if you like that, that's fine. In my opinion, I think it's just better not to cycle in the rain for a couple of reasons. My reasons is I noticed that I would fall sick if I cycle in the rain, and the other thing is I think it's dangerous to cycle in the rain. The cars can't quite see you, so for me, I just stop at a bus stop, and then when the rain is stopped, then I'll just carry on again. It's almost 7:30, but it's still raining. Can you see the droplets in the puddle of water?